Hi, my name is Jason Backe. I'm an entrepreneur and celebrity hair colorist.
And I'm Ted Gibson, beauty guru and entrepreneur. Welcome to Palm Springs.
Come on into Citrine Resort for our garden party. Our home is Bohemian maximalism. We've spent a lot of time traveling around the world, and everywhere we've gone, we've picked up something to bring back to our home. Just about everything here has an interesting story behind it.
So to continue the storytelling, we have this wall of gifts. One of my favorite pieces is this photo here. We bought a well in Africa because we believe that everyone should have clean drinking water wherever they live in the world. It's really, really close to our hearts. In this photo here, believe it or not, George Washington is my 6th great grandfather, and Jason had this photo even before we were together. And then up here, this comb is from a really fantastic client of mine, Lupita Nyong'o, and you can see up at the top where she actually made one of the corn husks from 12 Years a Slave. Color. You get this burst of color when you sit here. Because we're artists, we really try to have a lot of color in our home. This coffee table that we bought in Los Angeles, it has this really kind of quilt pattern to it, which is really, really, really beautiful, and has all the colors we love. And then this custom sofa is about 15 years old. I designed it personally. And these pillows, you can see this pop of color of pillows, they go with everything. We bought them off the internet. They're really cheap. I think it's important to mix things that are a little less expensive with expensive things to create this really great vibe.
The dining room is where we're going to come when we're ready to have some lunch. It's a great place with lots of natural light. We've always been a fan of the Nelson bubble lamps, so we had to get one of those over this mid-century style table and chair set that we actually got for $100, which looks beautiful when it's dressed with my grandmother's china that she got for a wedding gift. And we call this place Citrine Resort, and so yellow is a natural go-to for accent pieces all around the house. When we lived upstate New York, we got these amazing antler candelabras, and just for a pop of color, we put in the pink candles. Oh my gosh, the guests are coming over soon. I have a lot of work to do in the kitchen. Ted's got some work to do in his office, so you can catch him there.
As you can see, this is not any ordinary office. This is a place where I do my meditation. This is a place where I create product. This place is very sacred to me because this is my think tank. This is my version of my vision board. What's really great about it is that on this side is my work. This is hair that I've done on Serena Williams. As you can see, I put some texture in her hair. Zoe Kravitz when she was a baby for Vanity Fair. This is some of my favorite work that I've ever done. And then over here is some inspiration. You know, I love design, and of course I love these timeless pieces, these fantastic perfume bottles. If you know who designs them and they want to send me one, I'll send you my address. As you can see, there is a bed in my office, but we have 4 luxury bedrooms for people to sleep in. You want to take a peek? Come on.
A lot of people, when they design a space, they have things that match, and we're kind of the exact opposite. We incorporate all of these different color palettes together to create excitement and brightness and for people to have a good time. And when it comes to the main splash, we're gonna go to the primary. Let's go take a look. When we bought this house in 2018, we wanted each room to have a different vibe and a different sensibility. Maybe an Instagram moment, if you will. Palm Springs is known for its mid-century architecture, its clean, simple lines, and we are the opposite. We like bold, bright, vivid colors, lots of texture. No teddy bears were killed to make this blanket. And to tie everything together, take a look at the floors. When we bought the house, the flooring was very 80s, which wasn't the vibe we were going for, so we decided to take up the carpeting and the tile and expose the concrete floors, and then brought in all of these different carpets to add texture, warmth, and color. And as you can see, with all of this natural light pouring in through the sliders that go out to the pool, it's a beautiful space to just relax and enjoy. And speaking of pool, our guests are just about to arrive. Let's head on out back and get the party started. Oh my gosh, our company is here. It's time for a costume change montage.
You look good, Jason.
You look good, Ted.
Well, thanks so much.
Now that our friends have arrived,
What?
let's just enjoy Palm Springs living with this gorgeous pool. We can get a tan.
Aren't you jealous?
We can play ping pong, but most of all, we can celebrate with our friends.
Cheers!
Cheers, you guys.
That's a wrap, guys. Thanks for visiting us here at our home, Citrine Resort here in Palm Springs, where the life is fabulous and the people are beautiful.
Cheers.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.